Yes.
Oops.
Very nice.
But
That's an old trick.
uh-huh. It's a good trick.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
Terrific. To hold them up for at least another year with changing the owners. Oh! You were doing so good.
I thought she was gonna fall off.
What?
You were doing so good.
I know.
You jumped up. Well, give him a rest. Give her a rest and start over again.
Okay.
I think it'll work. Business still good?
Yes. Extremely.
Okay, that was lack of leg. One more time.
Whoa.